In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an HTML email signature in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through this together step by step so that by the end, you'll have a professional branded email signature that appears automatically in your outgoing messages from Zoho CRM. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho CRM account. From anywhere inside the CRM, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings area. Inside settings, you'll see a variety of options organized into sections. Find the section labeled Channels. This is where Zoho groups everything related to communication, like email and other messaging tools. Under Channels, click on Email. This will open up the main email configuration area for your CRM. Once you're on the email page, look for a tab or section called Email Configuration. In some versions of Zoho CRM, this may also be labeled as Compose Settings, but it serves the same purpose. Click on that tab to access the settings that control how your email composer behaves, including your email signatures. Now, scroll down through the options on this page until you see the Email Signature section. This is where Zoho lets you create and manage the signatures that can be attached to your outgoing emails. In that section, you'll see a button or link labeled Add New Signature. Click on Add New Signature to open the signature editor. You should now see a text editor where you can build or edit your signature. At the top of this editor, there's a toolbar with various formatting icons, similar to what you'd see in a word processor. Since we're working with an HTML signature, we don't want to just type plain text. Instead, we're going to paste the HTML code directly. Look carefully in the toolbar for an icon labeled Code View, often represented by angle brackets, like less than / greater than. Click that code view icon to switch the editor into HTML mode. You'll notice the editor changes to show raw HTML instead of formatted text. Now you can paste your HTML signature code into this area. Once you've pasted it, you can switch back out of code view to preview how it looks. When you're happy with the layout and design, make sure you save your changes. That's it. You've successfully added an HTML email signature in Zoho CRM.